It is the Thursday before St. Patrick's Day, and I'm going to be making some St. Patty's themed, just some green cupcakes and Jell-O. I need to clean off my counter. Got some green cupcake holders that I just got. Also got these from Michaels. So Michaels sells, I guess these are Jell-O molds, sort of. Holiday themed ones. These are Easter eggs and bunnies, if you can't tell. My little helper.
Paddy, won't you drink some? Paddy, won't you have some? Paddy, won't you drink some good old cider? You be the gray horse, I'll be the rider, going to the still house to get some cider. And a white oak saddle, pretty little girl to ride a straddle. Paddy, won't you drink some? Paddy, won't you have some? Paddy, won't you drink some good old cider?